bit of countryside, and I hope it will be a very interesting and enjoyable tour, and I will be showing you some very good clips, and we'll have fun together. Thank you. Cottage, and I'll show you around. It was very luxurious and very comfortable, and good thing is it's just around the corner to the Disneyland, and now we are heading over to Disneyland. Bye, see you soon. Guys, I'm making a breakfast for myself. Gonna try this. We have kuzu, we have this baguette, we have Nutella, and we have jam. We have everything, and we are living here at a cottage. And shortly I'll be showing you around. Just passing through a countryside of the France, and we have just spotted this amazing building. I don't know what it is, but it looks so cool, and it's just so unreal. Enjoy the scenery. We are now at Sarsoda Bagh, and we have just taken out some bits which we will use. It's free, isn't it? And now I'm driving back to London as well. First, we're going to the Calais ferry terminal. From there, we will take the ferry to Dover, and from Dover to London. Hey guys, we are with these very cool lions. They are cool, isn't it? Look at some moors. Wonderful. Very French, and they're all made up of, I think, clay stone. It's a very nice area. It's just a countryside France. My journey. Now I'm going back to the Dover. From there I will drive back to London. That's where the home is.